Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. Today's video is all about the latest microcurrent device from 7E Wellness, the Myolift QT Plus. If you're new here, my name is Trina. I make videos mostly about beauty devices, so if you're interested in this topic, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I have a private Facebook group all about beauty devices, and I'm on TikTok and Instagram. I will leave links to all of this down in the description in case you're interested. This video is in partnership with 7E Wellness, and I was really excited to partner with them because this device isn't even available yet. It's only available for pre-order, and I have access to all the information about this device, and I have access to the special packages that are available and the special offers. So I'm going to go through all of that as well as all the features for this device. So the QT was the first generation handheld microcurrent device that 7E Wellness rolled out. And this QT Plus you can use without the mobile app. So that is the biggest difference between the QT and the QT Plus. I know I was getting pretty frustrated when I had to be sitting in front of my phone in the app using the device. So I love that you can use this now without the app. And the other difference is that there's multiple language support. So in addition to English, there's now Spanish and Portuguese. So in case you're new to this device or you're new to 7E Wellness, I have a video on my YouTube channel about the differences between the Myolift Mini and the QT, and I'll link to that so you can go watch it. I also have a demo using the QT that you can also watch to get an idea of how the device works, because it's going to work the same whether you're using the app or not. So I'll make sure to link to those two videos so you can go watch them if you want more information. So like I said earlier, the QT Plus is available for pre-order right now through November 22nd, and you can get access to a special $2.99 package that includes the QT Plus and a whole bunch of other accessories that I'll walk you through. So you get the Myolift QT Plus device along with a lead wire and a USB charger. You get a 2-ounce bottle of the conductive gel, a 1-ounce bottle of their anti-aging peptide serum. I can show you how this looks. You get a pair of the conductive gloves, and you get all of the face masks, the forehead, the eye, and the lip mask. You also get the restorative sheet mask along with these 4 electrodes. I filmed a video using these electrodes with the sheet mask. I believe I put that on Instagram and TikTok, so I will leave a link to that as well if you want to go watch it. So that is a pretty incredible deal. $2.99 for the device and all of those accessories. So if you're thinking about pre-ordering, do it now while supplies last, because I really think that's a really excellent deal. You might be thinking, oh no, I already bought the QT and I don't want to spend $2.99 to upgrade to the QT Plus. Well, you're in luck because they're offering special deals if you already purchased the QT in the past. And you should have received an email already with a code that you can use that you can redeem at checkout to get the special pricing. But I have here that if you purchased a QT device after August 15th, 2021, you can upgrade to the QT Plus for just $49. All other QT owners can upgrade to the QT Plus for just $149. So if you don't have that promo code in your email inbox, you can reach out to 7E Wellness and they can help you out. Definitely take advantage of the special pricing if you already have the QT. Now, if you are using the QT and you love it and you don't mind using the app, then you definitely don't need to upgrade to the QT Plus. I wanted to talk through why I really like the QT Plus. Now, I recommend that you start using the QT Plus with the app when you get it, because there's all of these routines in the app that you can follow along and get to know how to use the device, because if you are a Myolift Mini user, it's a lot different. The routines and the way you use it is a lot different because it's handheld. You use it in one hand and you're moving the device across your face, and it's different from using the 2 probes that you use with the Myolift Mini. So it's a good idea, like I always do when I get a new device, is I use the instructions or I use the demo, I use the app. So I set it up and I use the app to get to know how to use the routines. And in the app, there are routines for how to use the masks, how to use the gloves, how to use anything that you might be plugging in to the QT device, the QT Plus device, through the lead wire here at the bottom. But then once I figured it out, I don't need to use the app anymore, so I don't need to be connected to my phone. And that's what I really like about the QT Plus, is that you go into the app for the first time, you set it up, you connect the device, and then you can go into offline mode. So then you can just do your routine as you normally would. And I think what I'm gonna end up doing for the most part is setting up a stretch routine, which would be the same as erase mode on the Myolift Mini, because I want to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles on my face and my neck. And keep in mind that the Myolift devices are more advanced than other microcurrent devices on the market because they're offering those two different modes, erase or stretch, which is lengthening and smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles, and then educate or lift, which is the lifting, tightening, toning of your facial muscles that you see most other microcurrent devices offer. So the Myolift devices offer both of those modes, which give you more control and which give you more targeted results, being able to smooth fine lines and wrinkles and tighten your facial muscles. So that means what I'll do is I'll go into the app and I'll set up a custom routine for stretch for say 10 minutes, for example, and then I can just do the device where I normally would smooth out my fine lines and wrinkles. Then I can go back into the app and set up another custom routine for 10 minutes of lift, which would then be lifting up and holding and sculpting and toning my muscles. So that's how I'm gonna use the QT Plus. I would normally do a lift and stretch routine in one sitting, but if you only have 5 minutes, say, and you wanna do a quick lift routine, you can absolutely do that. Make sure that it's on offline mode and then you can just grab it and go. So you do not have to use the app. And I think that's really great because using an app can be frustrating if you're having connection issues, or what I found to be the most cumbersome with using the app is that the app didn't sync up to my timing. So I would already be done with a section and the app would be behind, or the app would get ahead of me, and I just didn't like to have to sit there and follow along step by step with the app. I really know what I want to do. I want to spend more time, working on my 11s, or I want to spend more time lifting and holding up my hoods to try to tighten that area, and I know what I want to do and I don't want to have to follow an app. So I love that you can just set it and forget it, grab your device and go offline and use it however you want to, however it fits into your schedule, and you don't have to be sitting in front of your phone. And I think that's really nice that this device is a lot easier to use than the Myolift Mini, because when you're doing the Mini, I absolutely have to be sitting in front of a mirror and using the probes and watching what I'm doing, and it's much more complicated and I don't always have time for that. So that's why I love to have the option of using the QT Plus. And if you don't have any of the Myolift devices at all yet, the QT Plus would be a great one to get. So I will talk you through some of the accessories. The gloves are wonderful to use. You can attach them through the lead wire in the bottom of the QT Plus. The gloves are great because you don't need gel, you just use water, and you can use the gloves to work your face similar to how you would use the separate probes using the Myolift Mini. So you can use your fingers to manipulate the muscle and push and hold and sculpt your face, and it mimics the technique that you get using the probes. If you want to get the full benefits of the 7E Wellness microcurrent technology, you definitely need to work the gloves into your routine using the QT Plus, because by just having the one device handheld and pushing up your muscles and pushing up and holding, you're not going to get the same effect that you can get when you use the gloves to mimic the probes. So that's going to be important to work that into your routine. Now, you don't have to do that all the time. This device offers maximum flexibility. You can set it for how many minutes you have. You can do whatever routine you want and then work in the gloves when you have time, because the routine is going to be a little bit longer. I would say, like, if I'm going to use the gloves, I'm going to use it for a little bit longer. And then I really love the other options where you can use the electrodes with a sheet mask, because you're able to push those wonderful ingredients deep into your skin of the sheet mask while delivering microcurrent through these electrodes. And it's really cool, which is why I love doing the masks, because you're still building ATP and you're still getting that microcurrent glow. But I like to use the face masks and the electrodes with sheet mask when I'm feeling a little bit lazy and I want to get my microcurrent fixed, but I am too tired, I don't have the time to do a full routine with the device. So these are really great options, and with microcurrent, you're gonna have the best results if you stay consistent. And so I love having all these different options so that you can get your ATP fix and you can boost collagen, boost elastin, and really strengthen the muscles on your face and smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. And with the addition of their anti-aging peptide serum, this is a great serum that you can use underneath your gel to really supercharge your microcurrent facial, because with your microcurrent, you're pushing those products deeper into your skin and getting enhanced skincare benefits. I think you'll be really pleased with the upgraded experience with the QT Plus. Much more seamless. You can go offline, you don't need to use the app so that you are more in control of your experience. So I think that this is going to be really great. It would be great to get for yourself or to upgrade yourself or to buy as a gift, especially since they have this amazing gift set for $2.99. I hope I answered all of your questions about the QT Plus. I have a link down below where you can shop. If you have any questions that I didn't answer today about this QT Plus, please let me know. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, share with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!